Hey everybody, Marcia here. I am back today with another scrapbook process video for my creative scrapbook. Today I'm using the January Main kit, and this amazing kit features the Vicki Boutin Print Shop collection. The kit also comes with one of Vicki's stencils. I'm using one of her mixed media backgrounds. This background paper sheet came from one of her first mixed media paper pads. It says "Enjoy Today" on the cover if you want to look for it. What I did ahead of time is I cut out the name Allie from the middle of this page from the watercolor area. I wanted the same colors, the orange and the pink and the yellow, to use for my title. I found this really cool stencil font at Dehn-Nix Studio and cut out Allie, which is the name of my new foster dog that I seriously failed on. The minute this dog walked into our house, she was so affectionate, giving us kisses. We just fell in love. I cut the mixed media paper down to 8.5 by 11 wide, so that I could run it through my printer and include some journaling at the bottom of that mixed media sheet. Then I wanted to incorporate some of the colors from this awesome grungy pattern paper that I mounted it onto. So I wanted to incorporate more of the orange red. I have some Crackling Campfire Distress ink, and I'm using that with the stencil that came in the kit. Just using a blending tool to add that color through the stencil at the top and at the bottom. Then I taped an XO stencil to that same Vicki Boutin stencil I used originally, and used my black soot distress ink to add some X's and O's for interest inside the first shape. The XO stencil was included not that long ago in a previous My Creative Scrapbook kit. I like that I incorporated the black from the background paper and also that orange coloring to make this mixed media sheet fit better with the background paper. I used a notebook edge punch from EK Success to add some interest along the long side of my mixed media sheet. Then behind my photo, I am adding some pattern paper and die cuts to hide the holes that are there from cutting out my title. With my background done and my photo and my title and journaling on here, we are ready to start embellishing. One of the things I did is I fussy cut out the floral pattern paper that came with the kit. That's where this large flower came from that I have along the side of my photo here. I cut out the entire sheet. Actually isn't too bad because the flowers are bigger on this pattern paper, so it didn't take that long. I am using a couple of those fussy cut out flowers on this layout, and I'm creating a triangle to drag your eye across my photo. So you can see I put one of those photos in the lower right and another one in the upper left, and then the third cluster I have at the beginning of my title. I'm going to pop up the main flower with some foam tape. I popped up the photo as well with some foam tape, and we'll do the same with the title. I like having the different levels to add some dimension to my layout. In the Die Cut ephemera pack, there is this love photo tab that I stuck up at the top. It was perfect to put on here. To go with that, I fussy cut out one of the offset hearts from the heart pattern paper. While I am playing around with my embellishments, let me tell you more about Allie. She came to us from Kentucky, and we were told that she was a spaniel mix from the rescue secondhand hounds that we work with. We have been fostering with secondhand hounds for 3 years now. And the first foster we had was a real piece of work. He needed lots of training and he had lots of medical issues. And we ended up having him for about 9 months. The next one that I had was a breeder release, a very shut down 5-year-old Shih Tzu, was terrified of so many things, and we had to teach how to do stairs. He had never done stairs before. When Allie came to us, we really weren't sure what to expect. We were told that she was about 6 months old, and ended up being that she was closer to 10 months old when we did finally get her. We thought she was a spaniel mix. We decided, since we were keeping her, that we were going to do a DNA analysis on her and find out exactly what she was a mix of. The results came back not that long ago, and it turns out she is mostly pit bull, also beagle, Great Pyrenees, and Vizsla. There are some other breeds in there, but the company we sent the DNA analysis to classifies it as super mutt. She's on the small side. She was 25 pounds when we got her. The Great Pyrenees just threw us for a loop, as well as the pit bull, because she does not look like a pit bull at all. I'm coming to the end of my layout, so let me get back to discussing that. One of the embellishments that I put on here is this hello banner. I thought it would be really cute to stick a toothpick in the holes in the banner and tuck it in behind the first letter in my title. I like to rough up the edges of my papers as well, so you see me doing that just with my hands, no special tool, and ripping it in some places to distress it even more. I also added a twine bow on here with my Bow Easy, which is a tool you can still get on Amazon. I found it originally at a local card shop. So I'm adding a few chipboard stickers on here, some hearts, the word sweet, which I stuck by my title. That is my layout. I just love how this turned out. I love the colors. I love that mixed media that I added on there by layering the stencils. You will have to try that with some of your own stencils. Again, I am using the main kit from my Creative Scrapbook. They have 4 kits that they put out each month. Besides the main kit, they have a limited edition kit, a creative kit, and an album kit. So there really is something for every type of scrapbooker that you are. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye-bye now.